Welcome to Alabs, delivering precision and innovation in microscopy. Today, we'll demonstrate how to install the DigiEye camera on a microscope for seamless digital imaging. On your screen, you can see the camera sensor. One side is protected with a cover, while the opposite side features a USB port for connecting the camera to a computer. The other component is the DigiEye piece, which comes with protective caps on both the top and bottom. To assemble the DigiEye camera, remove the caps from the eyepiece, then insert its threaded end into the camera, as shown. Now, gently slide the assembled DigiEye camera into the microscope tube. Now, connect one end of the provided cable to the camera and the other end to the USB port of the computer. Once the camera assembly is complete, install the DigiEye camera software on your computer. After the installation is finished, click on the SI icon on the desktop to run the application. At the right corner of the screen, you will see the camera list. Click on the YV200 to run the camera. Now, let's move to another slide to demonstrate how to view the results and properly adjust the microscope. Use the coarse focus knob to bring the specimen into focus, then use the fine focus knob to achieve a sharp image. Now, let's learn how to save your results. Click on the snap icon in the application to capture an image. To record a video, press the record button. You can use the browse option to view your saved results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Alabs, precision, innovation, trust since 1975.